morning to one and all present here. Welcome to the second day of ATAL-FDP Training and Learning Academy supported FDP on effective course delivery through Moodle. Today we have three sessions, session 4, 5, and 6. Session 4 is on the topic course creation, and the session is handled by Ms. MEERA Matthew from ICT Academy. Session 5, Moodle resources by Dr. R. Murugan, Head and Associate Professor of Department of Computer Applications, MES College, Marampalli. Session 6, again with more resources in Moodle by Ms. MEERA Matthew from ICT Academy. Dear participants, please keep your audio and video muted for the smooth conduct of the program. And do not forget to use the chat box. We are straight away moving on to our session. For that, let me invite Ms. Fabina K.R., Assistant Professor, MES College, Marampalli, to welcome our resource person. Fabina ma'am, please.
A very warm good morning to one and all. Today, we are at the second day of 5 days FDP on effective course delivery through Moodle. Today's first section is handled by Ms. MEERA Matthew, Knowledge Officer, ICT Academy of Kerala, who have 2 years of teaching and 1 year of industry experience. She successfully completed her BTech with first class and MTech with distinction. She won the Proficiency Award twice for securing the highest mark in MTech. She also won many awards for her exceptional performance in work during her service with Alliance. She has 2 paper publications in IEEE. It's an honor and privilege for me to welcome you on behalf of Department of Computer Applications, MES College, Marampalli. I welcome you, ma'am, for handling this session. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for the department for welcoming you. Such a very warm welcome. So I think there is some disturbances in between. So I'm sorry for that. I apologize in between about that. So I hope you can see me. Please let me know whether my audio and video is clear.
Yeah, MEERA, fine.
Yeah, thank you, Ashwati. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Yeah. So hi everyone. So myself, MEERA, I think it's already been introduced. So I am with ICT Academy of Kerala. So today I think I'll be handling the forenoon session as well as the afternoon sessions. So I'm so glad that I can be with you for taking up this particular sessions. So with that, I think we can start the session. So I'm having a low network connection, so I'll be on the known video. So I'm switching off the video, by the way. So are we good to go, Sarah? So can I get a good morning in the chat from everyone? Let's have a vibrant day today. It's beautiful.
This is breaking, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Is it okay right now? Good morning. Let me get a warm good morning from everyone in the chat. Let's have some, yeah, thank you. Let's have some energetic sessions. Everybody in the chat can get a good morning. Yeah, thank you. Good morning. Good morning. I hope all are fine. All are safe in this particular pandemic time. So I'm so glad that everybody is fine and healthy. So, okay, thank you. Thank you. So any concerns, please put it in the chat. We'll quickly address it, whatever. If you don't get any particular point, please stop me in between. There is no issues. It's like a knowledge sharing session, nothing to teach and everything. All our faculties, so I'm also a faculty just like you. So I think we can start. Let me share my screen. Hi, Humbly ma'am, good morning. So I'm going to share my screen with some of the concerns. Before getting into my session, I want to address, because yesterday I think everybody have submitted the assignment, like a task which is particularly given by Shrikant sir and everything. So I just checked it about your submissions, and I found out some of the interesting thing which I can share with you. So let me quickly share my screen. So I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Okay, 1 second. Let me take it up. Okay. So I think this is the Moodle site which you have created. Okay. But by the way, in the assignment, what I find it interesting is that some of you have submitted the Pathshala link. It's not that you need to submit the Pathshala link. When you ask you to submit your website, then you have to submit this particular Moodle Cloud website which you have created. I think everybody have created their own Moodle Cloud, but I can find like somebody have submitted, a few submitted the Pathshala link. That's not what we request you to submit it. You need to submit your Moodle Cloud link rather than the Pathshala. Pathshala is a LMS of ICT Academy of Kerala. But in this particular sessions, we are taking you through a Moodle site which you need to create for yourself as a learning management system for your colleges. So when you're asked you to submit your particular course or your Moodle link, what you need to submit is this particular link, this one. Whatever the course you have created in Moodle Cloud, it's what you need to create. Is that clear? Let me know whether it's clear for everyone. Again, we'll be asking for submissions. So when you ask you to go for a submission, you need to submit your Moodle Cloud link rather than your Pathshala link. Am I clear? Am I getting you? Does it make some sense? Give me a yes or no in the chat. It would be great.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I think I can see clear. Very good. Good. So I just want to point it out because there doesn't mean any confusions. If you does have any confusions, please let me know. Okay. So coming to our particular session, and one interesting thing, another thing which I noticed while during your submission is, during your submissions, what I can see is it's your LMS or your Moodle name is my new Moodle site. It's not been changed. So what you need to do is you need to change with your college name or your code or your particular subject name or whatever. So what I need to do is, if you're having a confusions like how you need to change this particular my new Moodle site name to your college name, is like there you have, once you will log in into it, you can see that there is this is what a gearbox, which is called as a settings box, that you need to click on that particular settings box. 1 second. You need to click on this particular settings box. Here you can see that edit settings. I hope everybody can see it. Once again, I'll repeat it. What I'm going to do is, in my Moodle site, I need to change this particular my new Moodle site to your college name or your particular college institution's name. If so, what you need to do is you need to first log in into this particular Moodle Cloud, your own Moodle site. You need to first of all log in into it. Once you log in into it, in your home page, you can see this home page. In the home page, what you need to do is, next to my new Moodle site, you can find a gearbox, which is called as the actions menu, or what you call as settings menu usually. You can click on that particular gearbox. Just below that, you can find an edit settings. Okay, just below that, you can find the edit settings. You can see turn editing off, edit setting, different kinds of options are there. Don't bother for right now. You can directly go for edit settings. You are going to edit your particular website name and everything. In your particular My Moodle website, you can change it to, I'm going to change with my institution name is ICT AK, or what you call is ICT Academy of Kerala. Okay, so you need to change your full site name into your college or institution's name. And you can give a short name also. For ICT Academy of Kerala, our short name is ICT AK. Okay, that's it, done. That's it. What you need to do is, and you can go for save changes. Now let's see how you can see that my new Moodle website has been changed to ICT Academy of Kerala, and your short name, which I have given like ICT AK, has been always here on the left corner. Is that clear? Is that clear? May I get a yes or no in the chat?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay. Anybody want me to repeat it? Please let me know. I'm so happy to repeat it. No issues. Please let me know if I want to repeat it again, what I've just talked about. Okay. Shall I move on? Not required. Very good. So if so, I'm going to move on to my next topic. This is our actual content which I need to take it today. This I just want to address it because I saw most of you have actually set it up like my Moodle website. So I just want to change it to ICT Academy of Kerala. You can change with your institution's name, and here you can give the short form. So that's it. I'm going to my homepage. I'm going to my homepage. So today I think everybody have set up their Moodle website and everybody changed your institution's name and short name. Now today the duty which is assigned to me was you to create a course. How you're going to create a course setups inside this particular Moodle. Okay. For example, for institutions like any particular colleges, there will be mainly two category of sections of where we split our students. First one will be undergraduate, second one will be a postgraduate. Okay, so there will be two kinds of students category which we are categorizing about basically inside a particular college or institutions. Basically, it's like first one is undergraduate and second one is postgraduate. Okay, so we have undergraduate, we have certain kinds of sections of course categories. We have, for example, we have BCA, we have, for example, if there is BTech, if it's a BTech, BCA, BSc, there are a lot of kinds of undergraduate courses which we do have in our particular college. Coming to a post-graduation, we have MCA, MSc, we have MTech, all these kinds of postgraduate students. Okay, I hope it's clear till now. I hope it's clear till now. I'm just categorizing the people or the students in particular colleges, and I want to create the course based on that particular kind of thing. Okay, so I hope it's clear now. So first of all, we can directly create a course. You can directly create a course, there is no issues. But if there is only one course, there is no particular issues. But consider that there is some categorization like undergraduate and postgraduate. We need to go for a category. So inside undergraduate, we need to have a lot of courses like BCA, BSc, and all these kinds of things. Inside postgraduate category, we need to create like MCA, MSc, and MTech kind of thing. So first of all, let's see how to create a category. Okay, then we'll move on to how to create a course. Then we will create how to create the subjects inside that particular course. So it's like a kind of flow we'll go through it so that you will get an idea, clear-cut idea of it. So first of all, for that, in the home page, you can see in the home page, you can see a particular kind of settings and everything. 1 second, let me just move down. Let me just move down. In the first of all, you need to make the turn editing on. So initially you can see that it is in an off condition. First of all, you need to make it turn editing on. I hope everybody will do that, the turn editing on. Okay, turn editing on is first of all that you need to do. Second step is you need to go to the site administration. In the left corner, you can see home, dashboard, calendar, private files, content bank, my courses, introduction to Moodle, and then you can see site administration. Okay, so you are being an admin of a particular Moodle course. The course or the cloud platform which you're going to create, you are the admin. So admin will have the superpower, and the admin will need to go to the site administration for creating a course or a category. You can directly create a course from here, but I need to first of all create a category, and under the category I need to create some courses. So that's a way. So first of all, I need to go to the site administration. Okay, I have gone to the site administration. In the site administration, you can just scroll down and you can see courses. Okay, first of all, I need to take the site administration from the left bar or the left section, and from the site administration you need to go to the courses. I hope everybody have done that. If you're doing it along with me, please let me know. I can wait for some time, or else I'll just go and I'll give some time for at the end. So inside the courses, you will have add category and add new course. First of all, we are going to create a category. Under category only, we are going to create courses. So I'm going to create add category. I will need to click on to the add category. Okay, done. Now, the important thing that you need to make sure is always the parent category should be at the top. So by default, it will be at top. In any circumstances, if it's not at top, please make it top from here. From the bottom, you can make it top. Okay. Now, coming to the category name, you can give the category name as, I'm going to give category name as undergraduate. I'm going to give it as undergraduate. So my category name is undergraduate. Now, there is no requirement that you need to give the ID number or anything. If you want, you can give it, no issues. If you want some descriptions also, you can give it. I'm not going to give anything. I'm just going to simply create a category, which is called as undergraduate. I'm going to click create category. Simple. So you can see that there is a category which is called as co-curricular and undergraduate. Co-curricular, which is actually, it was miscellaneous, which will be default by when you're creating a Moodle site. There will be a default category which is called as miscellaneous, and I have changed the name of miscellaneous from this particular gearbox. From this gearbox, you can see that you can go for an edit button. Okay, in the edit category, you can change the miscellaneous to co-curricular. I just changed the miscellaneous to co-curricular for my convenience. I don't want to go for any miscellaneous. Rather, I gave it as co-curricular. Simple. This category will be created default when you're creating a Moodle cloud. So you don't need to worry about it. There you can see underneath of the co-curricular, you can see a new category which is called as undergraduate that just we have created. Simple. Two categories is there. One category, the first category will be default by there. Second category is manually, which is created by us or the admin. Is that clear? Do you need time to do it? Please let me know. In the chat, I think I need to get it in the chat, everything. If you have concerns, if it's clear or anything, I need to get it in the chat because I can make sure that it's clear for everyone. Please, everybody respond. It's clear. Yes. Yes. Done. I can see only 2-3 peoples. There are 60 participants in our quorum. Done. Clear. Okay. Do you need some time to do it? Please let me know. Do you need some time? Do I need to wait before I move on to the next section, or I need to wait it? If I don't need to wait it, please tell me. Don't wait, please go on. Could you please explain once more? Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, Divya, ma'am. So what I do is, ma'am, what we are talking about is, consider that a college is having different categories of students. Basically, our colleges is categorizing our students is basically into 2 categories, which is undergraduate students and postgraduate students. Okay. Now, so under the undergraduate category, we will be having a lot of courses like BCA, BSc, BTech, all these kinds of courses comes under the undergraduate category. Now, coming to the postgraduate category, we have a lot of courses like MTech, MCA, and MSc kind of thing. So we basically have 2 kinds of categories where underneath that particular categories, we have a lot of courses. In our Moodle website also, in our Moodle website, which you have successfully created, we are going to create 2 categories like undergraduate and postgraduate. Right now in this particular session, I'm going to create only undergraduate, and postgraduate is your assignment that you need to create it. Okay. Now it's like how to create a category. Basically, you'll be in the home page. By default, you'll be in the home page. If you're not in the home page, please come to the home page. You can click on the home page and you will be in the home page. From there, you can see that in the left bar or in the left box, you can see some options like dashboard, calendar, private files, etc. Come down, you can see a site administration. You can see a site and administration underneath. You can click on the site administration. In the site administration, now site administration is basically considered for the admin, or you guys have logged into as an admin power. Every faculties have joined as an admin power. So you have the superpower to create courses, delete courses, create category, admin students, whatever. Now coming to the site administration, there you go to the course options. You can see in the course options here. You can see the course options. Inside the course options, you need to go for add a category. You can see and add a category. You can click on the add a category. And in the add a category, make sure that your parent category is the top. That's the only thing that you need to be aware of. And in the category name, you can see that this red bar with an exclamation mark makes that this particular field is required. If you're not giving any particular values to this particular field, then that course will not be created, or the particular category will not be created. So inside the category name, you need to give like undergraduate. I have already created, by the way. You need to give undergraduate. And so once after giving the undergraduate, you can go directly for create category. You just click on the create category. That's all that you need to do. So once you get into the create category, you can see a miscellaneous and undergraduate. Miscellaneous, you can directly change it. I have changed miscellaneous to co-curricular. By coming to the near to the co-curricular, there is a gear bar. Undergraduate is also having a gear bar. You can see that. So co-curricular gear, you need to click on that and you need to go for an edit. If you want to change miscellaneous to co-curricular or any kind of subjects or any kind of categories that you want. And there after deleting the miscellaneous, you can give co-curricular and save changes. That will go directly for saving changes. Is that clear, Divya ma'am? Is that clear? Simply.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's fine. Please let me know if anybody is still struggling. It's all a warm. It's fine, completely fine, because I know. Now, if I'm speaking so fast, please stop me. Because I usually, go fast. Yes, please go on. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I think that's pretty much clear. Very easy steps. It's just one click away. Everything is just one click away. Nothing to worry about it. Now we have created two categories. We have two categories like co-curricular and undergraduate. Now there is another category which is called as postgraduate, and that is your task to complete it. Okay. We'll give some time at the end where you can have created category wise later. Okay. Now what you need to do is you need to create some courses in the undergraduate category, right? So I'm going to come to the undergraduate categories, which way I again go to the site administration. Okay, again, if you need to create a category as well as a course, you need to go for the site administration. You click on the site administration. Again, you can go for the courses. You can click on the courses. Once you get into the courses, you can see just like add category, down under the category, you can see add a new course. You can see add a new course. Okay, so I click on add a new course. There we go. We have a course full name, course short name. We need to fill up all these fields. Let's see one by one. So I'm going to create a course full name. So what I want to go for is like what I'm going to go for a course name is what name which I can give it. What name which I can give it? I will give it fundamentals of programming. Anything which you can give. You can give BCA, you can give BTech or any kind of thing. I'm just going for fundamentals of programming. That's one course which ICT is also carrying out. So I'm just giving a course full name like fundamentals of programming. Please go with your own course names. You can give BCA, you can give any kind of courses which you can give. Okay, please don't go exactly with my thing. I just give a course name as fundamentals of programming. Please go on with your courses like BCA, BTech or BSc or anything. Now I'm going to give a short name like FP. Simple, any short names that you can give. There is no restrictions, but please make sure that these two fields are filled out because these two fields are required. Okay, I have given a course full name and I have given a course short name. Done. Now coming to the category, under which category I need to create the fundamentals of programming. I don't want it default, it will be in miscellaneous. Okay, please make sure that my default which will be in miscellaneous, which I renamed as co-curricular. So I want to change it to, I don't need it under co-curricular. I want to make it under undergraduate. So I change my course category from this particular drop down. If you're having multiple categories, it will be shown in this particular drop down. You don't need to worry about it. From co-curricular, I change my course category to undergraduate from this particular drop down. Simple. Course is visible. Of course, the course should be visible for the participants. Now, what an interesting thing is everybody in facing is like once a course has been created for a particular category of students, if that course need to expire, if I am going to set up an expiry date for the particular course, then I can set it up. So the course start date, consider that I'm going to take the course start date as 13th of September. That's when we have started our ATAL-FDP, right? So I've started with 13th September 2021. We can set the time also from 9 a.m. Done. This is a course start date. If you want to make the course is only running for around 1 month, you can just click on this particular calculate the end date from the number of sections. If this has been checked out, you can't set the course date. Okay, if it has been checked, you can't set the end date because it will not having any end date. It will be created for a long time or a lifetime until the Moodle course has been dismantled. So if you want to set up an end date for the course, then you can click on this, uncheck this particular box, and you can set up the course end date as well. Okay, right now I'm not going to create, for example, let me create it for 1 month. Again, 12 October 2022, 9 AM. There we go. So I have set up the course end date as well. If you don't want a course end name, please click on this particular checkbox. There is no requirement that you need to set up the course end date, but you can set it up. If you want to give any course summary, you can give it. I'm not interested on all those things. Now, coming to the course image. So I'm going to click on the course image. I want to give a course image, right? So I'm going to click on that. You can click on this particular drop. See, you can drag and drop files. You can see that course image. And from there, you can give another dialog box, which is called as file picker, where you can pick your files from your system, local system. Now, completely coming on that, you can click on the choose file. Okay. In the choose file, I'm going to choose some images which I want to need it. So I'm going to go for FP, which I've created. You can choose any images that want, but basically check that it is an image. It should be an image, not a video or anything. That's it, simple. So once after that, I can click on this particular save, upload. You can click on the upload. Yes, I think, yes, sir. Sandeep, sir.
Yes. Well, I just want to know, like, for the image, is there any particular size which we need to select? For the
if
image?
It's they are not specifying the total maximum size of the file is 5 GB.
No, I'm talking about the pixels. Like, most of the time, if we select, like if I'm selecting a banner image or a image of 600 by 600, sometimes that image get distorted or get cut from the side. Or if I'm choosing an image of like 40, like of an icon
yes,
image,
yes, it will be cut short, sir. It will be cut short automatically by the system.
So what is the what should be the size of the image if we want it to be fit in this?
Okay, so I think I need to check on that. What is the size? Let me check it and come back.
Right, no problem. Dimensions would be the correct word.
Yeah,
but
sure,
what should be the dimension of that?
Yeah, dimensions. I got it. What needs to be the exact dimensions of the images which you need to upload without any compressing or extensions or anything, right?
Right.
Exactly. I'll come with that actually.
Thank you.
Thank you. Make sure that your image is in a GIF mode or a JPEG or a PNG mode, because that's the basic file extensions for or image extensions for any particular image. Please make sure that image size should not exceed a 5 GB. That's it, simple. And the dimensions, I'll come up with it. That's a good question, by the way. So once you upload the course images, you can come to the course format. Okay, you can come to the course format. Inside the course format, you can check whether how many number of sections you want. For a particular, consider that you can create some particular sections. For fundamentals of programming, you can have how to programming, what are the fundamentals, how to easily code, like different kinds of sections which you want to create it, or topics which you want to create it. What you call as a topics or sections, anything which you can call it. So I'm going to create 5 sections. Okay, default there is 5 sections. From here you can choose 7 or anything. You can choose 7 or 5 or anything which you need to create it. Okay, I'm just going for 5, even though I chose 5 here, and later if I want to add any further topics also, that's purely possible, nothing to worry about it. You can go for 5, 7, 10 initially. You can delete the topics which you don't want. You can add the topics also which you want later. No worries. Now, coming to the number of sections, once you have chosen it, there is a format which is called weekly format. Please make sure that it is in topics format, because we are creating topics. I think. I'm sorry. Okay, I think I'm having some network issues. I think there is an issue. 1 second, let me change it to topics format. I think I can create it the topics format. Okay, I think there is some issues with my browser, I think. Anyway, please try with topics format. I can later change it, by the way. Fundamentals of programming. 1 second. And FP, I can change it later, by the way. Okay, I'm going to click here. I'm going to select undergraduate. I can make the changes. I don't want to change. If I don't want to change, I can make it the expiry date. I'm going to start with 9 a.m. All things which I'm going to set as I'm going to repeat it. 9 a.m. Okay. So I think image is already uploaded. Course format, we can come back and change it. I think please stay it like that. You can save and display. Course format, we need to change it. We'll once again save and come back and change it. Okay. So your course has been created like fundamentals of programming. You can see that your course has been created, but there is no sections which has been created. So what I'm going to do is I'll come back to the FP. I'll come back to the FP. You can see that the course has been created with some date, that is weekly, with some date has been created. This is what it's a weekly format, but I don't want to create with a weekly format. I want to create with topics format. So I'm going to again go to the settings, actions menus. I'm going to go for edit settings. I'm going to go for edit settings. What I have done just now is click on the particular course, which you can see in the left corner. You can see FP, which is a short form for the fundamentals of programming, or any courses which you can create. You can see the short name which you have created in the left corner. Click on that. Click on that and you can see some weekly formats. This is what you call as weekly formats. I don't want in weekly formats. I want to be in topics format. So what I can do is I can come to the left corner, which is a gear bar. You can see that, which is called the actions menu. Click on the actions menu, go for the edit settings. Okay, in the edit settings, again, come down, come down. In the course format, click on the course format. You can choose like topics format. You can, okay, I think it's displaying some issues. And I check the topics format. Have you done, anybody have done it? You need to change it to topics format. Actually, I can't do it because I'm.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
it is. I have done, but the same error appeared here also.
Okay, I think there is some issues for the Moodle, I hope right now.
MEERA ma'am, this may be the problem with the Moodle cloud.
Yeah, maybe.
Yesterday also I couldn't do it.
Do it. Okay, maybe
format.
that's the problem of Moodle cloud, I think. Yeah. Okay, then no worries. We can change the name, by the way. There is no issues. I think it is in the topics formats. I can't save changes. Okay, I'll display. Anyway, save and display. That's the only thing which you need to change from the topics for weekly format to topics format. Once you get it done with your actual website, you can change it, by the way. Now, coming to the topics format, I can change the name. You can click on this particular, very simple. You can click on this pen icon. You can see the pen icon, edit name. You can change the week name. Like I want to check like day 1. If I want to change like day 1, I can change it day 1. If I want to change it to day 2, I can change it to day 2. Day 3, everybody please do it on the way because I'm going to 4, change it to 4, day 5, done. So 5 days, if you want to create like any particular name for this particular each and every topic, you can create that as well. No issues. No issues. So you have created you have created a category, you have created a course under that particular category, and you have created the sections also, 5 sections. You can see that 5 sections you have successfully added. Now, if you want to add more sections, I told you, even after setting up 5 sections as a default, you can add further sections or weeks. Right now, it is in weekly format, so it will show add weeks only. If it is in a topics format, it will show add topics. That's the only difference. So you can go for add weeks again. Yeah, please.
Will you repeat this part, how to add the days?
Yeah, sure, I can add. Okay. So I think you have created the course, sir. Did you create the course?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
When you created the course, you have given a short name, right, sir?
Yeah.
You can click on this particular short name. Short name will be appeared in the left corner. You can see that.
Okay.
Yeah, please click that.
Yes, I have clicked.
You can see September, some date kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So that date I have changed it to day 1. You can see a pen icon, sir.
Yes.
Please click on the pen icon. There you can edit your for September, like a date from.
Yes, got it.
Exactly. You can change it for all the 5 sections, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you. Anybody please struggling, I can wait it. I'm sorry that I didn't wait it. Please take your time. Please let me know. Oh, I can't see this. What is the message? Due to have some spectacles and I am not able to do the activities on the. That's completely fine, Shamsuddin sir. It's completely fine. You can practice it. You can practice it later also. There is no issues. I think the recorded session will be provided for you. No issues. No issues. But please let me know if you're having any doubts currently. I can take it for you. Once you complete it, please give me a done from your side in the chat box so that I can directly go with my sessions. Jyoti ma'am have done, Swapna ma'am have done. I can wait. I can wait. There is no issues. We have enough time to do it. Please take your time. Yeah, done. I need to get a done from each and every participant. Each and every faculties, please give me a done. Everybody, those who want me to wait also, please let me know. Do I need to wait it? Sorry for the disturbance, I think. Please give me, let me know if I need to wait. I can wait for you. Otherwise, give me a done.
Well, what in case if we have to delete a particular day or a section?
Sure, sir, I can show you. You can see day 1, day 2, they kinds of thing, right? Every sessions. I'm going to delete a day 5, sir. Shall I delete a day 5?
Yes.
Yeah. So please make sure before deleting, or if you want to edit or anything, please make sure that your turn editing is on. You can see off right now. That means it is on. And you can see all these kinds of pen sections, pen icons and everything. That means you are in editing mode. That's a symbolizing or the special thing that you need to know what. Once you are in editing mode, sir, you can see on the day 5, just straight to the edit day 5, you can see at the right corner, you can see an edit button, sir. In the edit button, you can see delete week.
Well, for some reason, I tried to do that. I saw that and I tried to do that, but I was not able to click on edit.
Okay, let me do it for you. Edit, and you can click on the delete week. It's taking some time. You can see that the day 5 is deleted. Please check it, sir. Check it right now.
I'm checking it. I'm checking it. Well, the thing is, the section,
please.
What I try to do is,
okay, now
I created a
go
course.
to edit. Okay,
I created a course with the day 5, and then I tried to add a week. From the bottom right hand side, there is an option add week. I added a week.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to delete that particular. Okay, now I am able to do it. Yeah,
down?
I did it. Yes.
Okay, great, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. I have one query in the chat. I'm facing a problem while selecting topics course format. That is the issue. I think Manjunath sir, I think I'm also having the same issues. I don't know. I think some problem with Moodle Cloud, by the way. I can just show you. I'm also facing the same issues. Let me check it once again. The weekly format needs to be changed to the topics format. You can see that weekly format. I'm going to change it to topics format. I don't see. I think I don't know what is the issue with Moodle Cloud. I don't know. So no worries. It's fine. Completely fine. Even if it's weekly format, it's fine. You can change the name. That is nothing to worry about it. Is that fine, sir? Manjunath sir? I'm also facing the same issues. I think everybody is facing the same issues. No worries. You can be in weekly format also. Nothing is going to be. Can you please repeat from where you choose the course which was created? Sure. I think I need to, Renji ma'am, I think I need to repeat the how to create a course, right? I need to repeat like how to create a course. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, ma'am. I have joined now. Please, can you explain again? Anand, sir. So I think I'll repeat again from the whole, from how to create a category to how to create a course, so that everybody will get an idea. By the way, others, please try to create a course which is called as, try to create a category which is called as postgraduate. Okay. Please let me know once you create the category. Right now, you have created an undergraduate category. Please, others, please create a postgraduate category. By the way, let me repeat again for others. So those who have just joined, please come to the home. you will be in home page. I hope everybody will be in the home page. Anand sir and everybody. Yes. Okay. So, okay. Got it. You'll be home page. Consider that, sir, in our college, there are two categories like undergraduate and postgraduate, right? We will be having undergraduate category and postgraduate category in our college as a whole. We are taking it as a whole. Under undergraduate, you'll be having so much of courses or so much of batches like BCA, BSc, BTech, and all these kinds of things will come under the undergraduate category. Coming to the postgraduate category, you'll be having MCA, MSc, and MTech. Correct, sir? I hope you get the idea. We are telling about the categories, two categories, undergraduate and postgraduate. Under the undergraduate and postgraduate, we are having a lot of courses related to that. Exactly the same thing we need to create in our Moodle website. So how are we going to create that particular categories and courses? So first of all, I think we need to go with the courses. For that, as an admin, you are in an admin mode. Everybody that you have created the Moodle Cloud, you are having the admin power. That means you are having the superpower. In the admin board, as an admin, you can create a course, you can create a category, you can edit the category, you can delete the category, you can do whatever things that you can have with this particular website. So how to create a category? For that, you need to come down in the site administration. You can see a site administration in the left corner. I hope, please go on with my mouse. You can see my mouse, right? Just go with the left bar. You can see a site administration. Click on the site administration. As an admin, you are managing your site. So it's called a site administration. So site administration, you can see a section which is called a lot of sections. You can see inside that you need to check the courses. You can click the courses. Till now, it's okay, sir? Anand sir, is that okay?
Yes,
Site administration. Yes. Okay, very good. Now, in the courses, you can see add category and add a new course. You don't need to create a course right now. Let's start with adding a category first. Click on the add a category. Inside the add a category, what you need to know is you need to check whether your parent category is top. Please ensure that your parent category is top. By default, it will be top, but if not, please change it. You don't need to worry about it right now. Now, only here inside the under category name, you need to give it like undergraduate or postgraduate, anything which you need to create. So you can see undergraduate. You have given the category name, which is called as undergraduate. Coming down, you can click on the create category. Simple. Your category will be created. You can see that your category will be created like undergraduate here. Just above that, you can see a miscellaneous. The miscellaneous category, I have changed the name to co-curricular by clicking on this particular gearbox next to the co-curricular. Click on that. I can go for edit. In the edit, the miscellaneous, this will be miscellaneous. You can change it to co-curricular or whatever things what you want. I'm not forcing you because you can create your own course names. So miscellaneous, I have changed it to co-curricular. Simple. So there you have two categories. The co-curricular, which is already created by default by the system or the particular website, which I renamed to co-curricular. Miscellaneous, I have renamed to co-curricular. Underneath, you can create you can see that the new category that you have created, which is called as undergraduate. Simple. That's all we have done for the category. How to create a category. Is that clear, sir? Anand, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I have done
Yes.
this.
Done. Okay. So once after you create a category, you need to create some courses under the undergraduate category, right? For that, again, you need to go for the site administration. Ma'am, you also please check it out. I am explaining again for how to create a course also. Okay. So inside how to create a course is like you can click on the site administration again.
Sorry to interrupt you. If I want to create a subcategory, yes, undergraduate, generic elective, discipline elective, how can I create the subcategory?
Okay, okay, sir. Once after that, can I come back after creating a course?
Okay.
I'll come to your question once after I check, just explain how to create a course. Is that fine?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So under the site administration, you can see a courses. You can click on the courses. Okay, you can click on the courses and you can see add a new course. You can click on the add a new course. Okay, add a new course. So I have created add a new course. And inside the add a new course, you need to give your course name. So I have given fundamentals of programming. You can give any name like BCA, BSc, or anything which you can create it. Fundamentals of programming, you can give it. You can give a short name also, FP. Please give your short name based on the course name which you have given. And by default, it will be in miscellaneous. That is the co-curricular. I need to change it under undergraduate. It should come under undergraduate. So I have changed my course category from this particular drop down, and I've changed it to undergraduate. So course name I have set it up, short name I have set it up, and course category I have set it up. Everybody is catching up with me, I hope. And you need to set up the course start date as well. Okay, then I need to set up a course start date as well. And if you want to set up a course end date, you can uncheck this particular dialog box, and you can set it up like, okay, I want to end it on 19th of October. If 19th or like 12th of October, anything. I've changed it to from 13th of September. I'm starting this particular course and I'm ending it on October 12th. And if I want to give some time also, I can give like 9 a.m. and I can give like 9 a.m. Okay, done. And once after this, you need to choose your course image. You can choose a course image from this particular drop down. Click on that drop down and you can see a choose file. You can click on the choose file, and from here you can choose any particular images which you want for your course. For your course, you need to add your particular image, and then you can go for save and display. You can go for save and display. Is that clear till now, Renji ma'am and Anand sir? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. I've done this before.
Okay.
Itself.
Okay.
But I couldn't get that screen. Some error occurred in between, and I couldn't select that course which I had created.
Okay, that's so that you have already created a course, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think if you want to find out, 1 second, ma'am. So you can see two categories like co-curricular and undergraduate, ma'am. You can see here.
From courses, is it from courses?
No, from the home courses, yes.
Okay.
You can see
my
that.
My courses, is it from my courses?
Yeah, please.
But that is inactive. I can't select that.
Okay, then come to the home, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, come to the home where you can see your categories and everything, your courses and everything.
No, I can't. Still, I think some issue with my net connection.
Okay, you can see the course which you have created, sir. Sorry, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I can't select that course. It is inactive.
This one from the home, From the home, you can see this particular course, Fundamentals of Programming.
No, I didn't get that screen.
You don't get that screen. Okay, ma'am, I can stop my presentation. You want me to?
Okay. I'll check. I'll check. You can continue.
Okay, fine. 1 second. Okay. So I think everybody can check it out whether you are. I'm sorry. Okay, so everybody have created a category and the courses, right? Everybody have created a category and a course, right? Yes. Anand sir? Created, right, sir?
Yeah.
So
yes,
once after creating the courses, you will be seeing a section like this, right? With the September and everything. Am I correct? Yeah. You can change it by clicking on this pen icon, sir. You can change the name of this particular. Yes, sir.
It's showing say 15 September to 21st per week actually.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You can click on this pen icon, sir. For each and every sections, you can click on this pen icon. Can you see this pen icon?
It is not visible here.
Okay, then what you need to do is, sir, nothing to worry. You can come up. You can see a turn editing on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, please enable it. Please click on the turn editing on.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Yes.
Did you see this
Now
pen
this
icon
one.
right now?
Yes, yes, it is
So
good.
please click on the pen icon. You can change it to day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 like that.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you want to add any particular new week, it is in right now in a weekly format. So if you want to add it, please click on that add week. And here you can click on the number of sections that you want to create it, 3, 4, 5 or anything. I'm going to create one section which is called as add week. I'm going to click the add week. You can see the date with week only date it will be coming. I'm going to change it as day 5. Simple. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think everybody have created. Okay. Oh, so, sir, I don't know who have asked the question. Somebody have asked the question like how to create an under category. Did I? I don't know who have asked. Somebody asked how to create an under category.
Yeah, I asked.
Yeah, sir. So I think for creating a category, for example, consider that I'm having an undergraduate. Under undergraduate, I need to categorize anything. One more thing, right, sir? I need to create another category.
Yeah.
Yeah. For that, again, you need to come to the site administration, sir.
Okay.
Coming to the site administration, you can see again go courses, right? You have chosen the courses, right, sir?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. From the courses, you can again select the add a category.
Okay.
Okay, add a category. I'm going to click it, sir. So in the add a category, you can see that a drop down, right, sir? In the parent category.
Yeah.
You need to create for which category I need to create an under category. I'm going to create an under category for the undergraduate, right?
Yeah.
Selected. Please select that under category and that will be changed. Parent category will be changed to undergraduate. Now I need to create the category name. I don't watch which category I can give it. I can give it BCA. Fine, sir.
Okay. Huh.
And then you need to create category. Click on the create category and that will be created. You can see that undergraduate, there is another category which is called BCA. Correct, sir?
Okay. Okay.
Perfect, sir?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Then inside the BCA category, you can create the course, sir.
Okay.
You want me to show how to create a course under BCA?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So please be genuine so that I'm so happy that to create it for you. Okay. So again, consider, so here for everybody, I can create a main category as well as under the main category, I can create a subcategory just like I have shown. Under the category, you need to create a course, right? For that, I am going to create again, go for the site administration. I need to go for courses. I need to go for add a new course. I think this is all actually, you are so good at it. So from the course name, you can give the whatever the course name. For example, I'm going to give computer organization. You can give CO as a short name. You can select like which undergraduate or undergraduate BCA. Sir, am I making some sense, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have created a course and under which category? Not under undergraduate. You have undergrad, co-curricular, undergraduate and everything. But I don't want to make it undergraduate. I want to make it under undergraduate and under BCA. So I have created a course under BCA. Then I need to give out the name or start date or end date. If it's necessary, please give it. Otherwise, just leave it. I can call up an image for your particular, I don't know which image, which I need to create it. There you go. Okay, let me take it up the FP again. I don't have any other images, by the way. So I'm going to upload this particular file as an image. There we go. And I know to go for save and display. Let's see how it comes. So you can see course organization has been created. Now coming to the CO, in the left corner top, you can see again the date sections and everything. You can again change it. Section 1, if I want to give like section 1, I can give like section 1. Section 2. Anybody if having doubt which I have said right now, please let me know. Section 3. section 4 and section 5. Sorry, there we go. This is a course which is created undergraduate category, under BCA category, and I've created a course which is computer organization, same wise. Any doubts till now? Please let me know. Sir, it's clear, sir?
Yeah.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody doubts? If anybody want me to repeat, anybody want me to wait, please let me know. Please take your time. We have enough time. Okay.
Can you please click on the home? How
Please click on the home. This one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm going to click on the home page. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Just wanted to see
Okay.
home.
Okay, okay.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Under course format, there are 4 options, right? Weekly format,
Yes.
topic
Yes.
format, social,
Yes.
and of single activity. Can you
Yes.
explain what the other 2, social and single activity format?
1 second, ma'am. Let me take it out. This one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
1 second.
Social format. What is the social format?
Sorry, sir.
What is the meaning of social format?
What is the meaning of social format? Is that it?
Yeah.
Meera, can I
Yeah, please, sir.
explain? All right. Right now, you have seen 2 different formats, right? The weekly format and topic format that are very much useful for the courses. Then the third one possibly is the social format. Actually, if you wanted to create a discussion forum for a particular course, like so you want to want some specific discussion happening on a topic, social format is a good option. And in that, actually, you don't want the course details, like a structured course information is feeded into the course, but you create a course only for some discussions. And in that case, social format work. And that single activity is very much useful for the thing that you wanted to create an online test. For that, you wanted a course, you title it as an online course, in which when the participant join, they see only one thing, that is the test. They come, click there, and take the test and go out. So in that case, single activity is a good option. You can create the course as a single activity. When the students open the course, they see only one thing. Just like otherwise, you can do it in the topic format. Currently, you see 5 topics. You delete the rest of the 4 topics and make it one topic, and your single activity format looks quite similar to a course that is having one topic.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Any other clarification needed at this stage?
So I think thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Go
So
ahead.
Preeti ma'am, I think
Well, I'm sorry.
this-
I'm sorry. Well,
Yeah.
sir, I had a question, and Meera ma'am told me that she'll get back to me. Like, if you have that information, like what should be the dimension of that picture?
Sir, I think
That I shared in the chat. I
This one.
shared it in the chat.
Well, actually,
440
I missed
pixel,
that.
280 pixel.
Okay.
Just a minute.
You can see, sir, in my screen, you can see
Okay.
440 pixel by 280
440.
pixel.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So what is the course layout?
Which one, sir?
What is the meaning of course layout?
It's like how it has been presented, like where the course layout. Yeah, it's like how how the courses is being presented. Like right now you can see I have created 5 sections, right? And 5 sections will be displayed in one page. If it's like, if you want to mention only one section per page, you can set it up like that only. Like how the courses should be appeared in one page.
Okay.
Yeah. So I hope it's clear for everyone. Yeah. Anybody? So single activity is nothing but with one course. Social format is basically like without any course, and it's for basically for a discussion forum. Simple. So I think Preeti ma'am, from where I need to repeat it, please let me know. Preeti ma'am. From where I need to repeat it? Do I want to repeat the how to create a course or how to create a subcategory? Is that what you want me to repeat? Please let me know. G Preeti ma'am. I didn't get the question. Please let me know. Subcategory. Great. Yeah. So for subcategory, 1 second. So ma'am, for creating a subcategory like undergraduate, we need to create another category. For creating a subcategory, again, you need to go for the site administration, ma'am. So you need to go for the site administration. Under the site administration, you can see courses. Just like how we have created a category or a course, it's just similar to that. You need to go to the courses. Inside the courses, you can see add category. We are creating a subcategory. So it's not like creating a course, it's creating a category. Inside one category, we are creating another category. So you need to go for category, add a category. Inside the add a category, you can see parent category. From parent category, it's default top. You need to change it from which category? Undergraduate. We need to create a category under undergraduate. So you can click on the undergraduate from this particular drop down. Okay, if you want to create a category for under co-curricular, you can go with that. But right now I want to create a subcategory under undergraduate. I need to give a name like BTech or BCA or anything. Okay, once I give the category name, you can create category and that will be appeared. I can create category. Later I'll delete it. So you can see that undergraduate is a main category. Under undergraduate, you can see 2 categories, which is BCA and BTech. Is that clear, ma'am? Yes. Okay, great. Anybody want me to repeat or anybody want to get clarifications on anything? It's fine, ma'am. Thank you. Anybody wants any clarification, please let me know. I'm so happy. Anybody is on the, yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, I understood everything so far what you have told from home, dashboard and other, including the course categories.
Okay.
But this all we are doing through ICT Academy of Kerala. Okay. So I just missed the first part where I have to start the Moodle one.
Oh, you have missed it, sir. So
Yeah,
you want me to tell from then, sir, how did you create this particular category if you haven't created the course? I mean, created the website?
No, what I'm just going through your screen and I'm just understanding that.
Okay, so you haven't tried, sir. Okay. No worries, sir. So I can just show you how to create a Moodle website. Am I correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, for that, 1 second, sir. Let me just bring the screen down. I'm having. Sorry. So for creating a Moodle website, first of all, I think you need to take out your Google Chrome or any kind of browsers. You can take it out. From there, you can search for Moodle Cloud, sir. Moodle Cloud. Just go for Moodle Cloud. Did you, sir? You can go with me, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, Moodle Cloud. There you can see, first of all, you can see a Moodle cloud, right? Click on that, the first link that you're getting it out. So you will be landing on this particular page. Right, sir? Right.
Moodle start, no?
Moodle cloud, Moodle cloud.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, please, sir.
If some university wants to implement the Moodle, so then every faculty member has to create the website. Either is there any server configuration that we can follow it?
Yeah, sir. For example, for a college, you can create one website, like a Moodle website, and there under this Moodle website, you can add the teachers as teacher.
Okay.
So not every teachers need to create this particular Moodle cloud. There is no requirement. We will be creating only one Moodle website for your entire college, and from the entire college, the site administration will an admin will be set up, will be managing all these kinds of things. And admin duty is to add the teachers into this particular course, and the teacher will be having the power for creating a course and everything.
Then how to add the teachers?
Sir, that will be explained later in our upcoming session, sir.
Okay.
Entirely, we have a dedicated sessions for how to add participants, how to add the teachers, everything will be done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Please wait for it. That's an upcoming session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So, whoever admin can create. Ma'am, how to? Anand sir, I'll just tell you how to delete the course. 1 second. Let me just quickly let sir know how to create a Moodle cloud. Okay. Once, sir, did you landed on this particular page, sir? Moodle cloud.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
very good. So from there, you can see the try for free, right, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, please click on that, try for free.
Yes.
Yeah. And there you can see there is a login page. Since right now you don't have any particular login credentials, first of all, you need to go for create an account, sir.
Okay.
In the create an account, you can give your first name, last name, email, your country, you can select it out from here, anything, all things that you can select it out. From the site details, you need to provide which it needs to be come out. You can see in my site details, ICT have created this site especially for ATAL-FDP. So we have given ATAL-FDP. Here in the site details, you can give your college name also, or your college name short form. Like for example, if it's like Mar Basilis College of Engineering, I'll be giving mbcet.moodlecloud.com. Am I correct, sir?
But in my college, it is mentioning, oh no, someone already took this one.
Okay, then you can give a different name, sir. You can give even your name also with your surname. It's fine.
Okay.
Please check whether, for example, MBCT, if my name is Meera, then you can give it like that.
Now it's working, yes.
Now it's working. Make sure your site name is available. That's it.
Yeah.
Then you need to give your password, sir. Please make sure you remember your password. We can't help you with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then from the region, there is only 3 regions which is available. You can give anything. Nothing to worry about it.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Then you click on the agreement terms and conditions and start trial.
Sure.
Sure. Then you will be landing on this particular page, sir, again. Oh, maybe you have joined it, right? You have get into that particular website, Moodle website?
Yes, yes.
Very good. So in that, I think you need to practice all things which I taught you today. Is that fine?
Yeah.
One more thing, sir. When you try to log in again, you can't give the site name will be default by admin. The username default will be admin, sir, and you need to give out your password. Even though you give a username or anything, the default when you log in again, your Moodle cloud site name will be admin. And you need to give your password, which I have told you to remember. Then you can log in and you can change the site name once after when you get into it. No worries. Done, sir?
Now I can see the
very
other
good.
thing.
Oh, very good. Yeah. So now, shall I get the other question, sir? It's fine,
Yes,
right?
yes.
You can handle it?
Yes, ma'am. Continue.
Yeah, please. Now, Anand sir want to know how to delete the courses. Okay, coming to the courses, I can comment out. So here, sir, you can see the home page. Anand sir, are you getting with me? Anand sir. I don't know, sir is gone. Okay, then I think I can take my question, which is admin can create courses, definitely. Bulk courses can upload it with allocation students and teachers, definitely. Definitely. The admin is having all superpower for creating a course, adding courses. He or she can add the participants, add the teachers as teachers, add the participants and participants likewise. Is that clear for everyone? Anand sir, you there? You want me to tell you how to delete a course? Can admin modify the courses created by the faculty? Definitely, sir. Admin is having the superpower. Whatever the faculty is doing, he can edit or modify. But he don't do that because he is admin. He'll having this, even though he is having the superpower, he'll talk with the faculties and delete it or anything. No control of the faculty. Faculty is having the control of creating a courses, adding a courses, and likewise. But he or she doesn't have the power to add the students. Students adding will be basically for the power of admin. A faculty even have the power to delete a particular course which they have created, not other person have created. Created category postgraduate. Great. Everybody needs to create a category which is postgraduate. Just like undergraduate, you need to create a postgraduate. Under postgraduate, you can create multiple categories like MSc, MCA, MTech likewise. So, Anand sir, do you want me to tell you how to delete a course, right, Anand sir?
Well, on the chat, he mentioned that he is busy in some work.
Okay, fine. Okay, so I think I don't need to repeat it. If anyone want to know how to delete a course, you need to come to this particular site administration. Then you can click on this. If I want to delete the BTech, I can click on the settings and I can go for delete. That will delete a particular course. If I want to delete a category also same way, I can click on this and you can delete it. No issues. Any more questions, any more doubts, please let me know. I hope everybody have created a category which is called postgraduate. And you need to create a course also. You need to create a course also. And you need to set up the course start date and end date with a weekly format of 10 days. Sorry, 10 sections or 10 weeks. You need to create with 10 weeks. Create a course under the postgraduate. Everything. Okay. Very good, sir. SV, sir. Okay. Madhav, sir, done. Please create, very good. Please create a postgraduate category. Under the postgraduate category, you can create under category, subcategory as well. Even if you are creating subcategory, please create some course, one course under any of the subcategory. If you are not creating any subcategory, please create a course under the postgraduate category. Any course which is having a weekly sessions of 10 weeks. We have created only 5 week sessions. You need to create with 10 weeks. How you are going to create with 10 weeks? Please do that. Please let me know if you're having any struggling. Do it right now. So I'm here for you. So you can ask any doubts in between. Now I think the exercises which you want to create or whatever we are explaining will be provided in Pathshala as a document. It will be provided as well as the video will also be provided. No issues. I had created a category BTech and a course in that category. I want to move it to subcategory semester 2. Oh my God. Okay, 1 second. So I have created a category. 1 second. Let me get the question, please. I've created a category BTech and course in that category. I want to move it to subcategory semester 2. So I think I need to create a category under BTech, right? 1 second, ma'am. Let me get it through it. So I'm going to create a category. I'm going to add a category. which is semester 2. I want to create it under BTech. Semester 2. So I've created a semester 2. Now I need to create a course. Sorry. I'm going to create a course. Others, please take your time to do. I'm checking it out. Add a new course. Which topic which you have created? Then which BTech I want to create a course. So any course is like I'm going to semester 2 with the principles of programming. PP. Then I have created the course category under BTech semester 2. I need to create a course category. I'm not okay. If I want to give it an image or anything, I can give it out. You have an option also. I think somebody have pointed out in the chat. Okay, upload this file. Under course and course category management. Yeah. I can save. So you have the PP. So what you need to do is you need to move this particular PP to semester 2. It's already created under semester 2. Okay, for that, I think I need to come with the site administration.
Well, it's very easy. Can I answer?
Yeah, please go for it.
Yeah, it's very easy. Like you need to open that particular course. Like I'm doing it. I'm telling you, please, because I cannot share the screen. So please open the course which you want to move the category. We need to open that particular course and go to the edit setting. On the top. Now here, well, just below the name, just below the short name, where the category is here, you can choose the category in whichever you want to move it, and it will be moved.
Yeah.
And you can save it, and that's done.
Yeah, that's done. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Is that clear, ma'am? Okay, very good. Any more questions? Any more questions, please let me know. From here also, I think you can move it out. From here also, you can directly move it out. You can come to the site administration. You can come to the courses. Inside the courses, you can manage course and categories. Inside the manage course and categories, you can move up and down. You can see that. You can move this course and whatever this up and down. You can see that. The move up, the move up, the move down. That is also possible for moving the categories.
Right. Well, but that will be within the subcategories or categories.
Yes.
But if we have to move it to the cross category, like from anywhere
from undergraduate to another category, then it's not possible. Yeah. In that case, I think you need to go with that.
Then we can manually do it.
Yeah. Done. Made categories, courses, and sections also moved from one to another section. Very good. Simple. Done. All good? All good. Shall we move on to the next session? All good to go? Let me know. Please let me know. Everybody, please let me know. It's very easy. Nothing to worry. Everybody. Yes, yes. Anybody needs time or anything, please let me know in the chat. Otherwise, I'll move on to the next.
Ma'am, is there any book on this course creation and other things?
Sorry, sir?
Is there any book on Moodle configuration and Moodle website creation and other things?
I didn't get the question. Any book?
He's asking for some references. There are free materials available, like PDFs available. We will share you the link in the Pathshala course.
Okay.
Fine. We will do, sir. We will do, sir. And so many video links are also available in YouTube that we will share.
Okay. Thank you.
Jyoti ma'am is telling help is available in the Moodle site itself. Okay. Any more doubts, questions? Any more concerns? So we are good to go, right? Good to go. Any free substitute of the Moodle cloud site available? Oh, I think, Register, could you please take up the question?
Any free substitute for the? Oh yes, there is another one. I will share the link. This actually right now Moodle Cloud offers you 45 days free trial with around 500 users can be added. So I think that earlier it was only 50 users. Right now you can add 500 users. In tomorrow's session we will discuss about how to add users. Yes, Genomia is the site that I am planning to share, and then where you can upload users as manually, and then you have a bulk upload option. All details will be covered in the next session. And the only problem with Genomia is it has got advertisement. So here in Moodle Cloud you don't see any advertisement, so you don't get distracted. But on the other side, Genomia, so we have advertisement that pops up quite often. That's the only problem.
Since I think there is no more questions, shall I move? Pretty good to go. I think that's pretty much actually about this. And one small thing, a very little small thing is that right now you are in admin mode, right? Right now everybody is in admin mode, right? Consider that you need to see like how a student is viewing this particular course. Okay, let me take out this particular home page. Let me take out this principles of programming or computer organized. No, fundamentals of programming is what we have created, right? Consider that it's right now we are in admin mode. We need to check whether how the student is viewing or whether students can see these things and everything. You have some hide options and everything. If you want to edit this particular week, and you can hide this from the students. So you can see that this section is hidden from students. Consider that you can also set up restrictions with dates. That will be explained in our upcoming sessions. You can set each and every section should be opened only on this particular date at this particular time. Then that is also possible. Each and every sections can be set up with the time and the sections, like time and date. Under each and every sections, we'll be creating some activities and everything. That is also possible. That restrictions will also be applied to that particular topics or contents that we are creating. Everything is possible. But consider that I just want to hide it from the students. There is an option which is in the edit section. You can see hide sections or show week sessions. You can see hide week. I have hidden from that, but this section will be hidden from the students. Also, I can go for everything, each and every section. If I want to hide the week, I need to open day 1 only today, and it needs to be go for 1 week. After 1 week only, day 2 should be open. So till that, you can hide that particular activity for easy purpose. But if you want to set like on date restrictions also, that is possible. That we'll be talking about in the upcoming sessions. Okay. Now, consider that if I have hidden the day 5, right? So let's see how the student is viewing a particular section. If I want to switch, consider that I want to switch to student view and I want to check it out. In the top right corner, you can see where the course has been created, ATAL-FDP, there is a drop down. In the drop down, there is an option called switch role to. In the switch role to, you can see that there are different kinds of roles which you can set it out and check. Since this is only available since you are an admin, but as a teacher, you will be having some sections only, like student, guest, parent, all these kinds of things. Now, I want to check it like as a student. Just click on the student and let's see how he or she is viewing. It's say like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5 is not available. He or she can't click it. But here he or she, if there is some courses underneath you or some links underneath, you can click that particular and see that. Right now, this is not available. So it's like awkward, right? If you are showing like not available, it's like awkward. So if you want to completely hide it, you need to go for time and date restrictions. That will be taught in the upcoming sessions. So this is a student view. See, he or she can't edit. The pen options and edit options is not available. This is how you generally switch to student, and you can see that it's in the student view. Student role. Now you can switch back to your return to my normal view. See, you can see that return to my normal role. Very easy. You can switch it out to your normal role as well as your student role. Individual hiding we have to do, or we can hide all at one time. No, individual hiding is need to be done, sir. Individual hiding need to be done. Each and every topics or sections needs to be individually manually hidden by our faculties. That's one thing I think we are also suffering, because individually we need to change the time and date restrictions for opening it up each and every sections. Is that clear how you can switch to your student role or teacher role? Consider that I'm going to switch to my teacher role. I'm going to switch to teacher role. So in the teacher role, you can see that it is hidden from the students and teacher can edit. The teacher is having the edit permissions and everything. You can see that. As a student, they don't have the edit permission. So as an admin, I'm having all priorities. Clear how you can switch to some roles? Is that clear? Very easy. Is that clear? Do you want me to repeat any sections which I have taken today? Please let me know. Is that clear? Is that clear? Give me your response is very much mandatory if it's clear.
Meera, can we have time to discuss about a course structure? So if you have anything left as an exercise.
I think I don't have anything much more to tell on this. Yeah.
Then I screen share and give them a course structure they can follow in their institution.
Yeah, so, sure, sir. Shall I stop the sharing, sir?
Yeah. So let me...
One second. Yeah. Please take over it, sir.
Okay, I'm doing. Is the slide? Let me know when the screen is
visible.
Yes,
it's visible, sir. It's visible.
Okay, thank you, Meera. So it was a wonderful presentation. You explained all the aspect of course creation.
Thank you, sir.
And also you mentioned about the categories. I hope that all of you sitting here representing an institute, you wanted to create a Moodle site for your college. When you do that, so keep something in your mind, like broader, in a broader sense, you will be having multiple courses offered. So Meera was mentioning about the postgraduate category, undergraduate category. So if you have anything similar to that, you can add. So that's the first thing that you wanted to have in your structure. So I'm representing it in the form of a tree structure. Starting, this is the Moodle side of your college. Then you have postgraduate and undergraduate. I'm referring only two samples. That's the reason why when you create a category, you take top as the category, the parent category. So if you select top as the parent category, anything that you create, any category you create will come here, postgraduate, undergraduate. Then next, normally the structure most of the colleges follow is you have the program name. That is the BTech. For an undergraduate, you have BTech, BCA kind of or BSc kind of courses. This comes as the next level. So in a tree, if you have this as the main category, this is your first subcategory. Right now you know how to create a subcategory. So think that if you have a program name, so I'm naming it as a BTech program. So if it is a BTech program, when you create the category, you have to select undergraduate as your parent category. So BTech becomes a subcategory. You also have a demonstration on how to create that. And similarly, you can create any number of programs. If your college offers 5 programs, you can have 5 subcategories that represents your different programs. Now coming, most of your colleges follow a semester system, right? When you think that you have you are running 4-year graduation programs in which you have 8 semesters. If you are running at if you are into an odd semester, you have semester 1, 3, 5, and 7 parallelly running. In the next semester, you have the odd even ones, 2, 4, 6, and 8. What you should be having in your Moodle, you should be having the reflections of your courses. Like if you have a BTech program and it has got 8 semesters, so I have represented only 3. You start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally, you have 8 semesters. Similarly, for all programs, you will be having subcategories created for your semesters. So I'm referring only one thing, that for BTech, we have semester 1, 2, finally you have up to semester 8. And inside each semester, you have the number of courses. So think that you have 6 courses for each semester. And for semester 1, you have all the courses. The courses is nothing but the subject. So here, MEERA created fundamentals of programming, computer organization, and principles of programming languages. So these are 3 particular courses for a particular semester. Similarly, you can create courses for respective semesters. So this is how you design it, and I'm just giving you an insight of how you can structure it. It's a combined effort. As far as a teacher is concerned, just like MEERA mentioned, teacher's responsibility is to look and enrich the courses with the kind of content that they wanted to share it with the students. That will happen. Those sessions will be starting straight after this one, and from 11 o'clock, so the next session onwards, we'll be discussing about the Moodle feature. This, what you are currently doing is creating of categories, creating of courses, creating a structure for your institution is normally done by the administration. So there, most of the colleges have a core team, and that consists of members from different institutions, different departments. They form a core team, and the core team is designing this. Once this is done, the admin's responsibility is to create all these categories and courses and give the teacher credential to respective teacher. So think that if you are a faculty member from a particular department, you get a username and a password. You log on to that particular Moodle instance. You will be seeing only your courses. So the teacher's role or teacher's responsibility when you start a Moodle or you start using Moodle is very little. So what activities you do with the Moodle is the teacher's activity, and the rest of the activity is the admin activity. So you don't think that all these things, that is the category creation or the course creation, is something that you have to do individually. But on the reason why we are giving you an overall view of all this, because sometimes you will be becoming the change agent in your institution. If you don't have a Moodle installed in your college, or you are not using Moodle, after this workshop, we want you to be the change agent. Go to your college, install Moodle, configure Moodle, and then become a Moodler and provide that Moodle features and facility to the students. So any questions in this? We are happy to answer the questions related to this. Definitely, we will be having more discussions on this in the upcoming session. So Dr. Murugan will also be discussing about the course structure, and he promised to do a demonstration of the course structure he developed for his college. So he will be doing a detailed demonstration in one of the upcoming sessions.
Sure, sir.
So MEERA, actually, you can share the exercise sheet. They can complete the rest of the exercises mentioned in the exercise sheet.
Sure, sir. Let me take it out.
I also do a demonstration. I think yesterday also I mentioned about the Pathshala platform. Here you can right now you already created a category. So once you log on to the course, right, what you see here is just the category, and then here you can think about different courses like the UGs and PGs. Then those who logging in will see only the broad category. Once they click on this, they will be seeing the courses inside. So this is how you will your Moodle site will look like if you create categories. So here you can see these are the categories that we have created for our Moodle instance, and so how this is how it appears. It is in a grid form. You can select different forms. We prefer the grid form to for the category to display. So this is. And another one more point actually, when I heard some questions being asked in this course, like when you create a course, we can select different format. Meera was referring to different format, and weekly format is something that teachers can do because it helps in a different way. Like let me ask you a question: like how many week you get in a typical semester to complete your academic activities? It is different for different universities. I know. Can you, from your experience or your structure of courses, how many weeks you get for a particular semester to complete a course?
16 weeks, sir.
So let me look at the chat.
16 weeks, sir.
All right, 16. Then it may be different. For a deemed university, they may get more than 15. All right, about 15. All right, 14 to 16. All right. So let me tell you something. Like in our system, we have courses having credit either 3 or 4, right? Most of you are handling courses of 3 or 4. A 3 credit or a 4 credit course means you get 3 hours or 4 hours per week. In a calendar week, you get 3 hours or 4 hours. That is how the syllabus or the curriculum is designed. And typically, a particular subject, if it is a 3 credit course, you have a total of 45 hours, or if it's a 4 credit course, you have a total duration of 60 hours, which means that you will be getting 15 weeks to complete that. 15 into 3 means 45 hours, and 15 into 4 means 60 hours. But no, most of the university curriculums are designed in such a way that you get 15 weeks to deliver your subject in a semester. And since we have internal assessment, we typically go with 2 internal assessments. So overall, we can have 15 plus 2, 17. So when you plan a course, it is advisable to start with 17 weeks. So you plan your activities for 17 weeks. When you create a course, when you select the number of weeks, you select 17. So that you can map all your activities starting from week 1 to week 17 by incorporating the internal assessment activities, like week 1, week for periodical examination 1, and the second one for periodical examination 2. So typically, that is a commonly accepted structure for a Moodle course with 17 weeks. Okay, Meera, over to you. So now you can talk about the exercises that is mentioned in the
Sure, sir. So I think the same exercises which I told you, I have shared in the chat. I hope everybody can see in the screen. So what I need to do is I'll just screen this particular link, or this particular log document is shared with you in the chat. Please open it up. So you can see that the exercise 1 is what we have created, how to create the undergraduate. Those who are still finding trouble, please go through these steps. You can find this how to create an undergraduate. Okay. Now, exercise 2 is completely for you to create another category, which is called as postgraduate. And I hope everybody have created the postgraduate category. Coming to the exercise 3, it's what I have taken up for the fundamentals of programming, how to creating a course in this particular category. And I have successfully created a course, and I hope everybody have created a course along with me. Exercise 4 is solely for you. You need to create another course under the postgraduate category which you have created, and you need to set the start date, and the course format will be weekly with the 10 weeks. I hope everybody created. No access. So let me give you some access, sir. Okay, I think I am not having the superpower. I think register.
I'm doing
yeah,
it.
Yeah. You will get it. You will get the power right now. You will be getting this particular sheets. No issues. So I hope this is all what we have to tell you for the today's session. Anybody having any issues or concerns or questions, please let me know. Otherwise, are we good to go? I hope this session's benefited you. And in the upcoming sessions, Sir Morgan sir is going to take up like how to create some activities into the sections. We have created 5 sections, and in the postgraduate you will be creating 10 weeks, right? Inside the 10 weeks, I think right now it's accessible. Everybody can access it. Inside that, each and every week, you can create some activities. Like if you want to share a particular YouTube link for the students, or if you want to share a PDF to the students, or if you want to create a book inside a particular sessions, all things are upcoming sessions which you're going to discuss about. Okay. So exciting sessions is what is coming up. So can we copy course from one category to another? Yes, you can copy. There is a copy option, sir. One second. There is a copy options. What you need to copy is copy course from one category. Okay, there is an option for copying. Okay, there is an option for copying. 1 second. When you click on this particular course, 1 second. You can copy this course, sir. Sir, first of all, you need to take out that particular course, and inside the course, you can copy this particular course. You can copy and make it available in which category that you want it with that particular course name. The same sections and same contents will be available, or there is an import options also. Is that clear, sir? Suited, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. You can duplicate a course as well as you can import the course structures for the another course.
And that part we will discuss in the upcoming session. So how to export courses from category and import it back to a new category.
Yeah.
That is.
Copy and import options is also available. All the sections can be copied or imported from one course to another. That is also is possible. Any other questions? I hope today's sessions benefited you, and we are on time. Everything completed smoothly. Anybody still struggling, please let me know. Next session is all about the activities or the course. Consider that you need to create a link or a PDF inside this particular section, then that is possible. That's what we are going to discuss in the upcoming sessions. Different kinds of options we are available. Label, book, link, PDF, files, uploading, everything is possible. So I think with that, I think we are good to wind up this today's sessions. Are we? Can we get a yes or no? Are we good to wind up? Are we good to wind up? Yes.
Yes, Indu ma'am, please.
Yeah. So I think we can stop sharing. Over to you, sir. Over to you, ma'am. Indu ma'am. Thank you. Thank you all. Yeah. So happy to interact with you. Thank you.
It seems that there are no doubts because MEERA ma'am explained so well that there is no room for doubts. Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a fruitful session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
We are all well clear in creating a course in Moodle inside a category, creating subcategory, deleting courses, how to switch roles, etc. Thank you so much. And in between, sir also shared some time for us in explaining the course. Yeah. Participants, please stick on time and
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, like it's completely breaking, ma'am. Your voice is completely breaking out. Yeah.
Okay. Of course, of course.
Indu ma'am? Indu ma'am?
Yes.
Can I?
Tufera ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Since there is a technical problem for Indu ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. Thank you so much, MEERA ma'am, for your fruitful session. And that's our session 4. And we will begin our next session, session 5 at 11:15 a.m. In session 5, the topic under discussion is in Moodle resources by Dr. R. Murugan. And dear participants, stick on to time and rejoin at 11:15 a.m. Thank you.